सुप्रभातं छात्राः। अष्टमकक्षायाः तृतीयकक्षायां भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अष्टमकक्षायां प्रथमपाठः वर्तते सुभाषितानि। अस्माभिः एतावत्पर्यन्तं 4 सुभाषितानि अधीतानि, पञ्चमं च अधीतम्। अद्य पञ्चमसुभाषितात् पञ्चम षष्ठ सप्तम सुभाषितानि वयं पठामः। प्रथमं तावत् अस्माकं पूर्वस्मिन् सुभाषिते पञ्चमसुभाषिते अस्माभिः अधीतं यत् मनुष्यस्य जीवनाय परिश्रमः अत्यावश्यकः भवति। यः परिश्रमं विना केवलम् अस्माकं मनुष्यस्य भाग्येन जीवति सः प्रासादसिंहवत् जीवति, न तु वनसिंहवत्। यदा प्रासादे सिंहः भवति तस्य उपरि काकाः अपि उपविशन्ति इति सुभाषितं कथितं। विहाय पौरुषं योगी दैवमेवावलम्बते, प्रासादसिंहवत् तस्य मूर्ध्नि तिष्ठन्ति वायसाः। वायसाः नाम काकाः, मूर्ध्नि नाम शिरसि। काकाः तस्य मनुष्यस्य शिरसि तिष्ठन्ति यः केवलं भाग्येन उपरि पदं प्राप्नोति, परन्तु यः परिश्रमेण उन्नतपदं प्राप्नोति सः वनसिंहवत्, वनस्य राजा इव जीवति। इदानीम् अग्रिमसुभाषितं पठामः। पुष्पपत्रफलच्छाया मूलवल्कलदारुभिः, धन्या महीरुहाः तेषां विमुखं यान्ति नार्थिनः। पुष्प पत्र फल छाया मूल वल्कल दारुभिः, धन्याः महीरुहाः तेषां विमुखं यान्ति नार्थिनः। वृक्षः सर्वाङ्गेण मनुष्यस्य सहायतां करोति। यथा एकैकम् अङ्गं कस्यापि उपयुक्तं भवति, कस्यापि अनुपयुक्तं। यथा दक्षिणहस्तः अतीव उपयुक्तः तथा वामहस्तः उपयुक्तः न भवति। यथा हस्तयोः कार्यं भवति तथा कदाचित् जङ्घयोः कार्यं न भवति। परन्तु वृक्षः अस्ति, वृक्षे कानि कानि भवन्ति अङ्गानि नाम पुष्पं भवति, पत्रं भवति, फलं भवति, छाया भवति, मूलं भवति, वल्कलं भवति, दारु भवति। अर्थात् सर्वेषु अवयवेषु वृक्षः मनुष्यस्य सहायतां करोति। धन्याः महीरुहाः, महीरुहाः इति शब्दस्य अर्थः वृक्षः। वृक्षाः धन्याः किमर्थम्? अर्थिनः विमुखं न यान्ति। यदपि पृच्छामः, कदाचित् मनुष्यं गच्छामः, गत्वा धनं पृच्छामः, धनं ददाति खलु। पितरं गत्वा धनं पृच्छति चेत् धनं ददाति, पिता भोजनं न ददाति। अर्थात् तत्र भवन्तः निरर्थकाः भवन्ति। यदि मातरं गत्वा भोजनं पृच्छति चेत् माता भोजनं ददाति, माता धनं कदाचित् न दद्यात्। परन्तु वृक्षः न तथा नास्ति। वृक्षः सर्वेषु अङ्गेषु अर्थी यत् पृच्छति तत् सर्वं ददाति। That means in this subhashita it is told that Mahiruhaha Dhanyaha, trees are so great. Why? Because Yesham Arthinaha Vilukam na yanti. One who asks the trees, he will not go in empty hand, because it serves the man with all the parts. Sometimes we may think that one part is useful, another part is useless. But in a tree, everything is useful. How it is? Pushpam, tree gives the fruits. Flowers. Flowers are useful to decorate. Flowers are useful to do the puja. And patram, leaves. Leaves are used for the medicinal purposes. Leaves are used for the shade in the summer. Phalam, we are enjoying the fruits very much. Evam chaya, chaya means shade. Shade also, everybody, humans, all the animals enjoy the shades of the trees. Moolam, moolam means roots. Roots of the trees are treated for the treatments. They are the medicinal sources. Moola, valkalam. Valkalam means bark of the tree. The bark of the tree, we know that in the earlier stages humans used to write, make it as a paper, the bark of the tree. And rishis and munis used to make their clothes out of the bark. That's why Moola Valkala Darubihi. Daru means wood. Wood is used as a fuel. So every part of the tree. That's why trees are so great. Mahiruha Dhanyaha. That's why they are great. Yesham, whom Vimukam, going back. Mukam means direct. Vimukam means going back. Nathinaha. They will not go back with empty hands. Anybody who requests the trees, they always go with their wishes fulfilled. Like that, as trees are there, we also should learn that when somebody comes for the help, we should not send them back. We should be always happy to help somebody. This is what the moral we have to learn from this Subhashita. Once again we will read the Subhashita. Pushpa Patra Phalachaya. Pushpa Patra Phalachaya. I will read once. I will read the second time, hoping that you are all reading in the house, following me in the house. Once again we will start. Patra Pushpa Phalachaya. Patra Pushpa Phalachaya. Moola Valkala Darubihi. Moola Valkala Darubihi. Dhanya Mahiruha Esham. Dhanya Mahiruha Esham. Vimukam Yanti Narthinaha. Vimukam Yanti Narthinaha. Let's go for the next shloka. Chintaniyahi Vipadam. Chintaniyahi Vipadam. Adaveva Pratikriyaha. Adaveva Pratikriyaha. Nakupa Kananam Yuktam. Nakupa Kananam Yuktam. Pradipte Vanhina Grihe. Pradipte Vanhina Grihe. This shloka tells, in Kannada we say that Bayaridaga Bavi Adi. That's what it is, in the root it is told in the Sanskrit. That means when house is burnt, we should not dig the well. That's what the moral we will come to know. Chintaniya hi vipadam. Chintaniya, think. Vipadam, dangers. Adaveva pratikriyaha, unintelligent, finds out what will happen next. Foresee. See, now we are in a difficult condition. Entire world is in a difficult condition. Foreseeing its bad effects, the Indian government has taken the steps for the lockdown. Lockdown is a foreseeing. What is the worst thing it is going to hit? That's why they have foreseen the situations and they have made the lockdowns, and it has resulted positively for the nation. Like this, Adaveva, in the beginning itself, before when you start, what will happen? First lesson you are reading, the exams are there in the March, in the June, why should I study? If you think, no. The first lesson when you are studying, you should know this is an important question. Whenever the teacher stresses something, you should note down that double time. So, it will be registered in your mind. So, it will be very easy for you to write in the examination. This is what this Subhashita says. Adaveva, Adav, in the beginning, Eva, only Pratikriya, your reactions. You should be ready with your reaction, Vipadam, for the dangers. How should you react to the danger? You should be ready. Chintaniya. You have to think your reactions in advance for the dangers always. Whenever you are advancing your thoughts, when the situation comes, you can face it very easily. But when you are not prepared, then you have to face. A sportsman is there. Just like you are such a very good sportsman and you think that in the south zone I will go and play. And without the warm-up, if you enter the ground, what will happen? instead of playing, you will get hurt. So that will not make you able to win the matches. So if you are warming up well, you can give your show better. That's why Adaveva Pratikriya Chintaniya. In the beginning itself, you have to think about your reactions. So you can be happy when the dangers will come. Apat Vipadam. Vipat ityasya Viloma padam bhavati sampat. Sampat vipat. Jananti Chintaniya. Think. You should think about the danger. Adaveva Pratikriya in the beginning itself. Na Kupa Khananam. Kupam means well. Khananam means digging. Don't dig the well, yuktam. It is not good to suggest dig the well. Pradeepe, when burning, vanhina gruhe. When the fire is burning the house, you start digging the well to get the water. Will it help the purpose? No. You will have more loss for yourself. Never dig the well when fire catches your home. That's why you should be ready. Ready with the water, ready with the resource to control the fire. There are many ways to control the fire. So if you are ready in advance, when the fire catches, your loss will be less. That's right. Now, don't. Kupa, well. Khananam, dig. Yuktam, good. It is not good to dig the well. Pradeepe, when fire is catching. Vanhina, when the house is caught with the fire, then you should not dig the well. It is very important, very good saying. Every time in the speeches also you can quote this. That's why practice this shloka very well. Once again, we will read all the 3 shlokas and summary. Get the summary. Vihaya Paurusham Yogi. I will read once again twice, assuming that second time you are following. Vihaya Paurusham Yogi. Vihaya Paurusham Yogi. Daivamevavalamvate. Daivamevavalamvate. Prasada Simhavattasya. Prasada Simhavattasya. Murdni Tishtanti Vayasaha. One who living the hard work only depends upon the luck. He is like a lion on the palace. A crow comes and sits on the head of the lion because it is artificial. Because you are coming to the power only with the luck, because you don't have any hard work. When you have the hard work, you are like a real lion. In the life, always become real lion, never become artificial lion. Understood? Yes. Pushpa Patra Phalachaya. Pushpa Patra Phalachaya. Moola Valkala Darubihi. Moola Valkala Darubihi. Dhanya Mahiruva Esham. Dhanya Mahiruva Esham. Vimukam Yantinarthinaha. Trees will help the humans with the flowers, with the leaves, with the fruits, with the shade, with their roots, and with their bark, and with their wood. Dhanya Mahiruha. That's why trees are treated as a very great thing. Yesham Vimukam Yantinarthinaha. One who requests it, he will not go with empty hands. Chintaniyahi Vipadam. Always think about the dangers. Adaveva Pratikriya. In the beginning only, how should you react? You should get prepared. Na Kupa Khananam Yuktam. Digging the well when the fire catching is not at all suggestible. Pradeepe Vanhina Gruhe. Note down all the Subhashitas and again the important words, just like Paurusham means Purushartha, Parishrama. Daivam means not God here. Daivam is not God. Daivam means luck. Prasada, not Prasada. Prasada. Prasada means palace. Murdni means on the head. Vayasaha, crow. Pushpa, पर्यायपदं कुसुमं, पत्रं पर्णं, फलं छाया, मूल वर्कल दारुणिः, महीरुहाः very important. Mahiruha is a new word. Enrich your vocabulary. Mahiruhaha means trees. Vrikshaha taruhu. Vimukam. Vimukam ityasya vilomapad sammukam. Vimukam sammukam. Yanti nama gachanti ityartha. Vipadam ityasya vilomapadam sampadam. Vipat ityasya paryayapadam apat. Apat vipat समानार्थकम. विपत् एवं संपत् विलोमपदम्. आदौ, आदौ इत्यस्य विलोमपदम् अन्ते. आदौ अन्ते. आदौ मीन्स बिगिनिंग, अन्ते मीन्स एंड. कूप वापी कूप तडागाः. खननं प्रदीप्ते वह्नि वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वह्नि नाम अग्निः. वह्नि इत्यस्य पर्यायपदम् अग्निः. गृहं सद्म. गृहम् इत्यस्य पर्यायपदं सद्म. निकेतनं, केतनं निकेतनम् इत्यादीनि पर्यायपदानि सन्ति. इदानीं गृहे उपविश्य त्रयाणामपि सुभाषितानां पठनं कुर्वन्तु. प्रथमं निमेषद्वयं ददामि, लिखन्तु स्वयं.